everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Felisa Vanessa and today I'm coming live from the village here in Kisii, Kenya, Africa. So right now I'm heading to the riverside for me to do laundry. So I'm carrying dirty clothes, so I'm heading to the river for me to do laundry. So kind of come with me guys.
I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now.
Here I am already at the river where we wash our clothes, guys, and now we are separating the clothes differently. We're gonna put the jacket aside, the trousers aside, the kids clothes aside, the trousers, all that. We're gonna separate them and then we're gonna start washing the clothes. So guys, look at the beautiful natural beauty. The river is just amazing. Look at the green natural plants along the riverside. I just love the beauty of this river. So guys, I'm fetching water into basins for us to be washing the clothes, and then we'll be rinsing the clothes on the river inside. So you're gonna see that I will be doing that and showing you how we rinse the clothes. Here I've already washed the shirt with soap, and now I'm gonna rinse it, and this is how we rinse the clothes here in the village. So guys, you find that most people, they go to the farm, and the clothes is gonna get more dirty. So for it to get more clean, you're gonna bounce it while you rinse it. Okay, so this is how we rinse the clothes here in Africa. You just stand inside the river and then you start rinsing your shirt. So now I'm gonna enter inside the river and rinse it more, because there in that place where I'm gonna stand, the water is more clean than the place where I am. So I'm gonna rinse it one more time, just like this, guys. You see, it's just that simple. And this is where we're gonna spread our shirt for it to get dry. So this is how people spread their clothes for it to dry. Okay, so guys, we're gonna do this to these other clothes, so and then I'll be back shortly. Hey, I'm almost done, so it's a small break for me. So we have washed a sample of clothes and you can see them. This is how we do it. So guys, enjoy the beauty of my African village here in Kisii. Look at that beautiful plantation. I can see maize plantation. You can see the cow. Wow, the trees. Everything is just beautiful over here, guys. So if you love this, so guys, look at the river, how it's flowing. Everything is just amazing. And look at that. Wow. Kindly leave a sweet comment down below, guys. Let me know what you think about my village. Okay, and now this is baby Blessing. She's just relaxing. She's also excited to see the village. So guys, we done doing laundry and our clothes are dry now. We're gonna pack them for us to go home. So let me show you how we pack our clothes. So you just take a sheet and you place them on the floor or on the grass, and then you start picking up your clothes, just as I'm doing here. I'm picking the dry clothes first, and then I'll pick the wet clothes later. So here I'm picking the dry clothes, the ones that are dry, and I'm gonna put them on the sheet. Just watch me. So guys, these are the wet clothes, and this other sheet has the dry clothes. So I'm gonna carry these wet clothes, and this is how we fold them. You see, it's just simple. This is how we carry clothes. When you're done washing your clothes here in Africa, especially at the village, when you're done washing clothes, this is how we tie them. You just make sure that your dry clothes are separate from the wet clothes, because when they mix, they are gonna be wet again. So I'm gonna also fold this one for my friend to carry it. So guys, finally we have done doing laundry, so it's now time for us to take the clothes home and find a place where you can hang them for them to dry. So this is how we carry.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, eyes closed.
I'm heading home, and this is tea plantation that you're seeing here. So finally I'm home, guys. Thank you for watching this video until the end, and if you're new to this channel, kindly support me by subscribing, leave a sweet comment down below, and also give this video a thumbs up. And see you on the next video. Bye.
I wanna wake up with you in the